Okay, I've relocated not too far down the road from where I was at. This is a public park. Headed over to the boat ramp to see if anybody's dropped anything good. I don't care if it's good or not. I just like finding stuff, really. Okay, I'm at the end of this floating dock. Let's see what we can find. I gotta pause this. Guys, I've covered about a good 10 feet of this dock. Let's see what I got on the end of this thing. I'm just bobbing up and down, not dragging it. See, now I have to get a waterproof headset camera as well. So, that is a bunch of rusty, clunky little chunks of metal. I'm gonna turn this off and clean it. Alright, that's pretty well clean. I'm gonna start right back where I was at, bob it up and down all the way to the other end there. I can show you guys, there's a jellyfish out here. I forgot about those guys. I hope one of those jokers does not get wrapped up on my string, because even their tentacles come off when they sting the heck out of you. Alright, I made it to the end here. Hope this wind's not causing a lot of interference with my phone. And it looks like a big nothing burger. Let's see here. More of that nasty old, rusty old metal. Alright, let me clean that off and we'll do back up towards the land there. Let's see what happens. Okay, now we're going to start back up towards land. That's the bottom. Just noticed a dead little minnow here. If I had to guess, I'd say jump too high when the fish come through and the school of minnows scattered. I feel like I hooked up on something. I'm not sure what. Let's see if I can bring it in. Whatever, but just let go. There it is again. You know what I think that is? I think that's a part of the dock. So just keep sliding right off. Alright, we're back up on land here. Let's see what we got. Looks like more of that metal stuff for sure. Okay, I got some kind of little wire and more of that clunky metal dust particles. Alright guys, I'm back on the end of this dock. Now, we did this side. I didn't say anything, but this is also salt water. Brackish, but more salt. And now we're going to do the back side of this dock. Here and here. We'll work it all the way around up to that point. Because where the dock turns right there, there's just a bunch of concrete I-beams and stuff, construction material. I can see down in the water there. Okay, let's drop her in. That's the bottom. Alright, I've reached the corner here. Let's see what we got. A rusty nail, a bunch of that other rusty metal. Alright, I'm going to clean this off. Actually, I'm going to do some of this little span because the I-beams don't start till that first pillar. I'm going to check this out because I can't see down there. I'm up to the concrete beams. Let's see what we got. Less of the chunky metal, but still that chunky metal. Alright guys, now I'm going to walk out on the fishing pier, see if there's anything out there. Fishing pier was a bust. It's just super shallow all the way around it. You can see everything. I'm going to head on back to the boat ramp and see there's two more docks. Okay, here we are on the other dock. I'm going to go all the way to the end here and work my way back. See what we got. let's see what we got. Or dog. I didn't mean bridge, dog. Okay. Wow, we're doing less metal dust. The other dog had way more. I'm gonna start going back on this side. Hey guys, felt like I hooked up on something here. Okay. Coming out of the metal dust. What is this? Some kind of little steel plate. Not sure what it would be used for, but I got it. I'll keep that one. Alright, I'm back at the end of the dock on the other side. Let's see what we can do on this side. Just noticed. Kind of parked just sailboat in the wrong spot. Alright, we just ran the span of the dock all the way down. Let's see if I got anything. Don't look like it. Just more dust. Metal dust. Alright guys, this is the last spot on this dock and I want to call it. Last dock I mean, and I'm going to call it for the day. Hopefully I find something. Just trying to... Hey, it ain't going too well yet. Find a lot of junk. Nothing cool yet.
I got one too. I was just cleaning it up.
Yeah. Let's see what we got here. A couple little rusty nails on that one. Get those off. Well, that's the day fishing, magnet fishing, guys. I'm out of here. I probably won't keep showing everybody all the junk that I find, unless you guys leave comments and say you want to see everything I find. If not, I'll probably just start anything cool or big or heavy. I'll do that, but I don't see any sense in keep recording metal dust and metal chunks and shards. Like I said, unless you guys decide you want to see it, then leave that in the comments. Alright, I'll be back at it with more magnet fishing videos. Not sure when, but I will. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.